Hi, welcome to Hi-Fi Audios. In this video I will show you how to solve JBL headphones not turning on problem. No matter how hard you try, sometimes the headphones won't turn on. You're really bothered by this issue. This problem can be caused by a variety of things, including poor charging, a broken power button, software bugs, or an old battery. First, you need to try this method. Hold down the power button for a minute. Now press the power button 3 times in a row. Long press the power button once more until the LED indicator illuminates. Your JBL headphones are now turned on and ready to use. If this method doesn't work, then try resetting your JBL headphones. Reset your JBL headphones if they still won't turn on. This issue could be caused by a software bug. Any bugs will be fixed by resetting the headphones and your device will turn on. Hold down the volume up and volume down buttons until the headphones turn on, then repeat the process 3 to 5 times. Third method. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Fourth method. Triple-click the power key and hold for 30 seconds. This was all about how to fix the JBL headphones that won't turn. Let me know in the comments whether the headphones are now turning on or not. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Hi-Fi Audios and liking the video.